We have a lot of pets, so when the company sent us this broom and dustpan set, I was very excited because we have quite a few areas where we let our pets stay, and this was easy to put together. I want to say maybe 5 minutes max. As you can see, the bucket is quite deep. It's designed really with a lot of things in mind. It has everything that you need basically to clean your floor. It's very sturdy and it stays by itself when you try to leave it somewhere, so it's really nice set. We love it. The other thing I like a lot is the colors, that it actually shows the line, so you can also see if you have a bit problem seeing, like I'm getting there. So it's really nice to sweep when it's so bright, and it kind of marks things for you. So if you don't have a corner that's free, you can easily store it anywhere pretty much, because it will stand by itself.